The BJP here in UP is facing a huge dilemma in the name of SIR. They cannot seem to understand whether the Election Commission of India did the right thing or the wrong thing by launching the SIR here in UP. But I think they are much more leaning towards this wrong thing part. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath held a meeting with the MLAs and MPs of UP this last Tuesday, in which he directed them to engage in this SIR process on a war footing, on a war-like level. The organization of the BJP, their workers here in UP, was dozing off through this entire SIR process. Now they have finally woken up from their slumber. The Election Commission of India has released the draft voter list on 6th of January, and almost 3 crore voters have been cut out from the list, from the original list. And Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in a public address earlier has stated that the population of UP is almost 25 crores, and almost 64% of this population should be the voters in the state. That puts the number to almost 16 crores. And he said that the numbers that are coming to us is almost 12 to 13 crores. That means 3 to 4 crores voters are missing or are cut out from that list. And he also said in that address that almost 80 to 85% of these voters who have been cut out belongs to the BJP. They are the voters of the BJP, 80 to 85% of that 3 crore number. That's why they are pretty tensed. The BJP organization is pretty annoyed. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has expressed displeasure in the meeting to the workers of the BJP. And Samajwadi's head, Akhilesh Yadav, is pretty happy with this. He is already saying that all the voters that have been cut out are of the BJP. BJP is almost losing 70 to 80,000 votes per seat. He has said this. He is very happy. He is seeing this as kind of some of a silver lining that could help him to win in 2027 election. The draft voter list was released on 6th of January, and almost 1 month time has been given to register the complaints up to 6th of February. After that, the final voter list will be published for 6th of March. 6th of March, which is almost 1 year ahead of the 2027 scheduled UP elections. I am kind of thinking they should not have given this time to register the complaints. The draft voter list should be the final voter list. If the BJP is tense because of this, then I think BJP is losing. They should not have given that time. I'm just joking. Because it is a democratic process, every person should have the vote, every person should have the eligible person should have the right to vote. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has directed his MPs and MLAs to ensure that all the eligible people who have been cut out from the list should be added to that list. That some of the reports, some of the mainstream media outlets were writing that almost 200 people per booth, as he has directed to his MPs and MLAs, should be added. 200 people per booth. And almost 175,000 votes are here in UP, so that puts the number around 3.5 crores. To his number that he said 3 or 4 crores voters are less in the list. So that is the thing that is going on. But I think Samajwadi Party leader has found this silver lining. He was kind of hoping that if the list goes on like this, we're going to win this election. Let's see how it goes. But I am hoping the cycle would, run pretty hard this time in 2027.